Hello everyone, welcome to Journey to the Best Version of Ourselves. Today we will talk about neck pain and the limitation of the neck movement. We'll show you how to demonstrate self-mobilization and how you can increase the range of motion with simple tools like kitchen towel or bathrobe belt. I prefer this kind of rope belt. It's because you can localize the point when you are trying to create pulling force. It helps more than kitchen towel, but if you don't have, you can still perform with the kitchen towel. First, let me demonstrate with this rope belt, and first we will dive into flexion and extension, and after that we will talk about if there's any limitation for the rotation. I will show you how you can do self-mobilization for the rotation. So let's say I have a pain for the extension movement. When I'm trying to extend my neck, I feel pain and it's limited. I cannot lift more. And I feel like my pain, it's around in the junction between cervical part and the thoracic part. So it's like around C7, let's say. And the important thing is, wherever you feel the pain, you should put the belt around that part. So I feel the pain here and I put the belt there, and I am pulling the belt through my eyes. So I'm keeping my head still, stable, and I'm pulling as if this is my neck. I'm creating a force, like elevating the skin and the vertebrae. So again, creating the pulling force through my eyes. Now I'm trying to perform the extension. Expectedly, when you are doing this, the movement should be much easier, less painful. It should allow you to do the movement more. So with this support, I will repeat 10 repetitions and 5 sets throughout the day. After 10 reps, I will do 3 reps over pressure. I will try to overextend to see if I can and if it's less painful or completely painless. 2 more reps and last one. So this is for the extension, and again, depending on where you feel the pain or the limitation, you can point the belt and you can do the same technique. Localize the area, put the belt on it and pull through your eyes, extend with the pulling force. I'm always keeping the same level of pulling when I'm performing. Same is valid for the flexion as well. And let's say I'm trying to do flexion, but it feels sore or painful, or it feels limited. Same technique again, and let's say this time I feel more upper part, it's maybe around C2 or C3. I'm putting the belt here, same. I'm still looking forward, and I'm pulling, elevating the tissue, doing the flexion. 10 reps, even without pain. Like when I'm doing this, I feel more supportive. It feels much better than normal one. At the end of 10 reps, 3 more reps over pressure. Try to flex more. You can even add some thoracic component and relax. So this is for the flexion and the extension. Let's say you have some pain with the rotation, turning left and right, or you feel limited, you cannot move, there is some restriction. So let's perform for the left side restriction. So I cannot turn my head left side. In that case, I put my left hand on the top of my right chest, and right side, the belt goes through my right cheek, and it's again diagonal. So I'm still sitting straight and I'm pulling through my right cheek. And with this pulling force, I'm trying to turn. Expectedly, it should help you to rotate, turn your head to the left easier. Same 10 reps. After 10 reps, 3 reps over pressure. At the end of 10 reps, try to turn towards the left side more. And again, it shouldn't be painful. It should be definitely more comfortable than normal one. Now, just let me quickly show with the kitchen towel. So maybe you can fold and same thing, try to put the towel around this part. Same thing for the extension or the flexion. And for the rotation, this time let me perform on the right side. So let's say I cannot turn my head to right side, it feels painful or restricted. I put my right hand on the top of the left chest. Gentle pulling force here, and when I'm sitting straight and looking forward, I'm moving my left hand goes through my left cheek. So from here I'm trying to turn, and again, supposedly it should help you to move easier and completely pain-free. 10 reps. After 10 reps, 3 times over pressure, you should be able to feel the support of the towel. And why we are doing this, to just increase the movement in the vertebrae on the facet joints. I hope that this exercise will help you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.